Welcome to this video on requirement management in Polarion, where we will explain real-time use cases to enhance your project efficiency. Polarion's requirement management offers a structured approach to capturing, organizing, and tracking requirements across the project lifecycle. This helps maintain clarity and ensures alignment between stakeholders and development teams, minimizing risks and improving delivery timelines. Organizations choose Polarion for its unified platform, providing complete visibility and traceability across the project lifecycle. It supports compliance, reduces manual errors, and enhances real-time collaboration among cross-functional teams. Key features include a centralized repository, end-to-end traceability, real-time collaboration, and change management tracking. Other features are integration with testing tools, automated workflows, compliance support, version control, and custom reports for improved project visibility. Polarion provides several benefits. Clarity ensures stakeholders understand goals. Traceability tracks requirements to tests. Efficiency streamlines workflows, and collaboration improves communication and outcomes. Mastering requirement management in Polarion ALM involves centralized tracking, real-time collaboration, and traceability, which ensures quality delivery. Automated workflows save time, and clear visibility leads to better decisions. In conclusion, Polarion ALM helps teams organize, track, and validate project needs, improving clarity and reducing risks for faster, quality solutions. It provides full traceability, reduces errors, enhances compliance, and supports efficient workflows for high-quality outcomes. Start your journey with Polarion ALM training today. Contact us for course details, schedules, and career support via phone, email, or our website. Thank you for your attention. Visit hopeinfotech.com for more information.